Hello, Jumbo, Moi, it's me, Hilona underscore KE. Welcome and welcome so much to my YouTube channel. Hello, Jumbo, Moi, it's me, Hilona underscore KE. Welcome and welcome so much to my YouTube channel. It's now Suksu, it's now autumn. We are trying to warm ourselves up. We are trying to give ourselves energy for the month, for the season, for the coming seasons. And you know what? Each and every autumn, we have a lot of work to do. Example is this one, collecting of leaves. So this tree has given us a lot of leaves, a lot of leaves. So this is one of the most important thing we do during this season. Collecting everything, collecting flower pots, putting them somewhere, you know, for the season. And thank you so much for everyone who has impressed my Finnish language. Thank you everyone who has encouraged me personally. And after watching the videos, I realized that I have a lot of mistakes also. What I know that you can say Minun, Kansasi, you know, but when I was editing the video, I realized that I have a lot of mistakes. But the goodness is that people understand it, you know. I personally understand the video I did. People understand the video. So I'm here in this video to tell you that making of mistakes is not a problem. Mistakes are part and parcel of the learning process. Whatever you learn, we also learn from our mistakes, especially when it comes to language. Making of mistakes, that is something automatic, and we learn from those mistakes. So for me, I now know better where to improve on, how to say it more, how to say porkanoita. There are some words I realized that I have some silence. I'm silencing some words. But in Finnish language, each and every letter always comes out, you know. If you have ever heard how the Finns speak, each and every word, they pronounce it well, you know. So I'm here also to encourage you and tell you that as we move forward with this season, kindly allow yourself to make mistakes in life. Making mistakes in life is one is part and parcel of life. Just accept it, move on, keep going, and that is how life will look like. So, for example, now we are doing haravointi. Haravointi is this one which you are seeing. Using this one. So this is what we are doing. It's just that I thought there are very many here. That's why I decided to just come and remove it. And several other things we are supposed to do. So I am here to encourage you and tell you what. If you make mistakes, allow yourself to make the mistakes. Allow yourself to make the mistakes. Let me show you the garden. In life, we make a lot of mistakes. In life, we face and go through a lot of things that we don't even expect some things sometimes to happen. But mistakes in life is something which we should learn, that it does not hold us down. Mistakes will come and go. You have to improve from those mistakes. And whenever you fall down, kindly pick yourself up, you know. Pick yourself up, go, and encourage yourself. That is what I always tell people. Kindly encourage yourself, kindly improve yourself day in, day out, you know, day in, day out. Make sure that you are there for yourself also, and to be able to be there for others, you should be there for yourself. So I am done with this one. I'm going to get the Mobi Pusti paper, which we will put it, and then it's we call it an evening, but I'm also going to show you the garden the way it looks like. In this video, it's only telling you that making of mistakes is one part and parcel of our life. And I'm also here to tell you that if you feel down, you know, we as human beings, we always feel down. Palkinto, Palkinto, for doing good job. Thank you so much, Mama.
Welcome.
Yes. Okay. In this video also, I want to tell you that encourage yourself more. Each and everything that you do, encourage yourself more. Push yourself beyond limits. And also, know your limits. As you improve yourself, also know your limits. Sorry, I was given a present and I have to eat it, you know. That's one way of appreciating children also. That thank you for bringing it to me. And you show that for sure you need some sugar. In my channel, we always have fun. We inspire each other and we explore. That is the most important thing in this channel of Ilona_KE. If you are not a subscribe, kindly subscribe, comment, share, and like. Let me show you the garden. Welcome. Thank you. Walala. Imagine the vegetables are still awake. Welcome to Ilona_KE channel. Joyce Garden at Chochos, and that is Joyce Corner. Whoo, my flower, imagine my flower vessel has broken. Imagine the mistake I did. I did a very wonderful mistake. I don't know, is it wonderful? Very funny mistake. I lost my flower vessel. I'm here to come and collect this flower here. It still reminds me a lot of things. And I just lost it. That is how it has gone. It has finished its task. But all in all, this is how it looks like. The vegetables, we can still eat something. We can still get something. We can still eat some vegetables. Korva nini? Kato kuloket. Kuloket. The vegetables are still growing, imagine. At least we can still eat some kales this weekend. What? Yeah, and make some fireplace there. But I can say, what? It has been a while since I came in this backyard. See the vegetable spinach. We can still eat some spinach. What? We can still eat some kales. But this one, it's over. This one is totally over. And this is the garden. Nothing is there anymore. We just need to come and turn the soil, and that is it. Then we are done. We are done. Anyway, my people, this is how it looks like. Next year is another season for improving everything and making sure that we have something new, you know, something new, something fresh, something rejuvenating and growing together. Now we have gotten what we want to eat during winter time, and that is it. What? And the beautiful sun, you know, the way the sunset is coming there. Let's go and see. Sunset is somewhere there. It's not even seen from here, but beautiful sunset. Darkness is also coming. Sunset is somewhere there. The sunset is there, you know. And the trees has already lost their leaves. The trees has no leaves anymore. So we are just pressing on here. We are just moving forward day in, day out. That is it, my people. So, sunset view through the trees. What? There are some things I have come to value, my people. One of it is this one. Simple sunset, you know. Just simple sunset. There are days whereby I go to take a walk in the beach in the beach, in the lake area, and I find myself just admiring the sunset, admiring the making of the Lord. And you know what? This is one of the things whereby I have come to value it more and more, you know. That is how it looks like. Just to combine the colors, to combine with this environment. I told you that I love forest, you know. So I either take a walk in the morning or take a walk in the evening. That is me, Ilona_KE. And for today, when I was recording this video also, I've come for my walk, you know, my evening walk. And I just want to show you that sunset, you know, see. That environment, that sunset, that reddish one. Just love and enjoy nature. It's one of the most important thing I value more than ever before. So let's go. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, sharing and liking. You are of importance. You are special. In this channel, I value each and every subscriber, each and every person who is watching my videos, each and every person who is encouraging me and telling me that, Ilona, you can make it. Ilona, keep going. Ilona, we are learning. You are motivating us. That is the words I love to read. I will have to hear from you, my people. So, thank you for everything. And still, I wish you, my people, happy month of October, month of November, which will be coming, month of December. Imagine 2025 is over. Imagine. I just remember the other day we just started this year, 2025. But now, my people, time is flying, Time is flying. That we don't have time to waste. That is to waste. If you have a dream which you have been dreaming to do, kindly go for it. If you have something which you have been dreaming to do, to start, kindly start it. You know, 2025, you have planned for it for the longest. Hope that as the year ends, you have the whole full strategy, you know. You strategize yourself. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kabush, we are pushing where? Forward. Ilo, ete fine. Kitos.